How to apply for a sales tax permit in Texas. Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'll guide you through the process of applying for a sales tax permit in Texas. So this is a quick and straightforward process, so I recommend watching the video until the end to ensure that you don't miss any important steps. So first of all, you need to visit the provided URL, which is comptroller.texas.gov, and you will land into this page. Once you reach the page, you will find frequently asked questions about sales tax permits. I suggest reading through all of them to fully understand how the process works, including details like any fees and whether you need more than one permit. So after you've reviewed this information and feel ready to apply, click on the link that says, "How do I get the permit?" That is between how does it mean to be engaged in business and is there a fee for a permit? Tap on How do I get a permit? And from the drop down menu, this will direct you to the Texas Online Sales Tax Registration Application System. Click on the link to open a new tab and then select Apply for Permit via eSystems. You will need to log into your eSystems account to complete your application for a sales tax permit in Texas. And that's it. You now know how to apply for a sales tax permit in Texas. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.